What's going on, skiers and riders? It's Kevin back here with your Friday, November 22nd Wachusett Snow Report.
Let's welcome in the weekend here at Wachusett. With all the snow the snowmakers made last week, we still have plenty of snow for you to come and enjoy. So, come on down and join us here for some awesome early season runs. Today, we have 6 trails open with 4 lifts spinning to the top with base depths of 14 to 24 inches. The highs will be ranging from 47 with a low of 33 degrees and overcast skies. Today, we will be open from 9 a.m. to 8 p.m. But Saturday and Sunday, we're going to be open from 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. So make sure you come on up and get those runs in. We still have 4 terrain park features, 2 rails, a roller, and a spine set up on the side of Challenger for those ready to start practicing some tricks. Come show off your moves. O'Brien's Deck Bar and Grill is open this weekend. Make sure you come on by and check out their awesome selection. Grab a bite to eat in between the runs this weekend. Don't forget, coming up on November 29th, we have our Hypnotic Hysteria comedy show. Watch your friends and family get hypnotized and become part of the show. Tickets are on sale now. We are also offering a ski and show combo package. Get a night lift ticket and a ticket to the show for just $40. You can't pass up a deal like that. Alright folks, that's all I have for today, so stay tuned to the social media channels and the snow reports for updates on hours, conditions, and upcoming events. For more information, visit Wachusett.com. See you tomorrow.